Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's your first time coming across my channel. You are highly welcome here, and please don't make this very video your last. Make sure you go through the channel. You will see a whole lot of videos that will interest you to watch. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. And before we proceed into today's video, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do well to hit that red button to subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you anytime there's a new upload from me. So if you've done that, let's go straight into today's video. Oh my lovely people, today's video is going to be about business ideas that you can start from the comfort of your home with zero to no capital. If you're looking for business ideas that you can venture into the year 2023 that will make you huge sum of money, this very video is the number one video that you should watch today. And please don't make sure you watch this video to the very end so that you can understand everything I'm going to be saying in this video, so that you grab everything I'm going to be releasing. I'm going to be dishing out in today's video. So number one on my list today is wig revamping. Yes, a whole lot of people, the wig industry is very huge. It's a very huge market that anyone that is looking for a business idea to venture into need to leverage on. A lot of people buy wigs like someone was saying that wig business is the new oil money, and I believe that. So a lot of people buy wig, they buy expensive wig, they buy cheap one, and they don't know how to maintain it. And if you are in the business of wig revamping, like this business is not going out of fashion, it's always there. There is always demand for revamping and bringing the wigs back to life. So if you have a social media account, if you have an Instagram account, if you have Facebook, if you have TikTok, you can start from there. Polish your page or your account and start putting out quality content regarding wig revamping. And you can also start from your contact, maybe talking to your family and friends, talking to your church members or your mosque members, people in your connect, start telling them that you do this thing, and when they give you, and you are giving them fair prices and you deliver at affordable rates, you will see how people will be rushing. You will see business flocking to you, because I have seen it. A whole lot of people are cashing out from this business, and this business right now, it is hot cake. So if you're in need of business that you can start from the comfort of your home, a stay-at-home mom can venture into this business, a student can venture into this business. So wherever state that you find yourself, you can venture into this business, and I can assure you that you will make so much money from this business. And number two on my list today is food supply business. Some people find it difficult to go to the market to go shop, so you can decide to be their shopper. All you need to do is they will send their list to you, they pay you, but make sure you add your own profit in order for you to make some money from this. Add your own profit and you go to the market. You can go to Oyinbo, you can go to Mount 12, you can go to any market that you can go where you can buy these things in bulk and deliver to your customers. And you are not spending your money, they are the one paying. So in this particular one, you are not even investing a dime into it. And how can you start this business? There are people in your church, there are people in your locality, there are people in your community that find it difficult to go to the market. All you need to do is to sharpen your mouth and sell yourself. Talk to them, tell them that you render this service, and you will see by the time you get one person and you deliver, you get that person will put a word, and the other person will put a word, and this one will put a word, and you see your business expanding. So don't sleep on this business idea. Go ahead and venture into it. It's very lucrative and it's very profitable. So the number 3 on my list today is dropshipping. What is dropshipping? Let me just put it in a layman. So dropshipping is when you take a picture of a particular item. You don't have it at the moment, you don't have it available with you. You can just take a picture of it and start marketing it. Then when you have a market, or when someone orders for it, you go back to the original owner of this particular product and buy from them, or you can just pay them and they will ship this item on your behalf. That is what dropshipping is. I did dropshipping last year and the experience is good, you know. So you can start a dropshipping business. You can dropship anything at all. You can do dropshipping for clothing, wigs, household items. So all you need to do, people, Instagram for instance, there's a whole lot of vendors who are looking for dropshippers of their item. So they create pages, they create Telegram pages or WhatsApp pages where you all will be in a group and they will be sharing pictures. So some people pay money, some people demand for money or people to be in their dropshipping, while some don't demand for money. You can dropship even perfumes, wristwatches, jewelries. You can dropship anything. So all you need to do is to you can create a social media page, you can create an Instagram page, you can create a Facebook page, you can create your TikTok account. Start from there, you know, putting out those things that you got from a vendor, because you are dropshipping for them. Then they will give you a fair price. Yeah, if it is something they are selling for 20,000 naira, they can give you at the rate of 18 or 17,000, because they equally want you to make money. All you need to do is to push it out there, you know, talk to people that you have this product, even if you don't have it physically, but you can advert on your WhatsApp status to people around you, you know. And if you really want to make it big in a dropshipping business, you can buy one of the items as a sample that you can show to people that you have this thing readily available. And once they place order, all you need to do is to remove your own cut, send the actual amount to the owner of the group, and they deliver this thing on your behalf. So dropshipping business is a business that you can start with no capital at all, with no money. The only one that require money is if the vendor is asking you to pay a certain amount of money to be in their dropshipping group. That is the only way that you will pay money. But aside that, most people are giving dropshipping offer don't ask for money. The one I'm into is free of charge. They didn't ask us to pay any money. And the lady has been so helpful. She always drop videos, she always drop pictures of the products that we are dropshipping for her. So you can search on Instagram, you find a whole lot of vendors who are looking for dropshippers. So guys, this very point is very, very good, because I am doing it myself. It's very, very good. You don't need to pay any money, and it's not stressful. It's not stressful. The only one that will stress you is if the vendor is not a truthful person. But if the vendor is truthful and straightforward, you won't have any issues at all. So that brings me to on my list today is logistics business. So you might be wondering, how can you do logistics business when if you don't have a bike? Either you have a car to start a logistics business. You can start up a logistics business without a car or without a bike. Yeah, you ask me how. So I recently interviewed someone who is into logistics. She does not have a car, she does not have a bike. I was now wondering, how are you doing it, babe? So she was like, that what she did was to join a group. So in that group, the group is made up of vendors and logistics companies. So it could be individual, it could be companies. Just all you need to do is to register in that place. I think with the sum of 2,000 naira, I think it's a yearly fee or something. Yeah, she said it's a yearly fee. You just pay 2,000 naira. So for instance, if you're in Surulere, you can decide to deliver to people around Surulere. So all she does is to drop her contact that she is free to deliver to Surulere, Oshodi, you know, people around Surulere, you know. And she had already gotten contact, she had already gotten customers, because she has been doing this thing for the past 6 months now. So she has already gotten customers, and she runs her business 4 times in a week. She does not do more than 4 times in a week, because she said the business is lucrative, though it's hard from when you're starting, because people would because you don't have a bike, people find it difficult to trust you. But when you build trust, and with the group that she joined, you really helped her in building that trust. And because they will vet you to be sure that you are really, really good at what you're doing and you are genuine and not a scam, so that you not run off with people's items. So what she does is that she will go to these her customers, take their goods, the ones that are going the ones that are going within her locality. She will take them and deliver. She will charge the normal money that the person using bike charge. She will deliver. She can get like 10 or 15 orders in a day. She will take them and deliver it within her locality, and she's been doing this thing for the past 6 months. I can assure you that this business, when she shared these business ideas with me, I'm like, wow, this is really nice. So if you're looking for something to start, you're looking for a business idea to venture into, this one is very good for you. And if you want to, if you need the group that she belongs to, getting her contacts from, please send me a DM. My Instagram handle is going to be on the description box. You can reach out to me on my Instagram handle, or my email is also there. You can reach out to me so that I can give you this contact. So this particular business is very lucrative. And the last but not the least in today's video is on my list today is web designing. If you are a web designer, you're not getting enough jobs, you can leverage on your social media handle. Yes, I always say social media because there's a lot of things you can do, you can gain from being active on social media. So, and there are a lot of online places that you can showcase, and you can also put your experience into practice. So you can look for gigs in places like Fiverr, Upwork.com. So these online platforms, these online platforms, there's a whole lot of it, but the ones that I'm very sure of, the one that I know that I've tried personally is Upwork.com and Fiverr.com. So you can to register is very simple. It's not hard to register. Just register on these platforms and write things about yourself, give a good description of what you can do and what you can offer. You will see jobs coming to you, you will see gigs coming to you, because a whole lot of people, most businesses that are online now, even the ones that are offline, they are coming online, or they're already online, and they need people, they need your service. They are in need of your service, and this service you can render it anywhere at all. You can render it to people in Nigeria or even outside Nigeria. So when you leverage places like Upwork and Fiverr, you can render your service to anyone at all, regardless where they are in the world. And this one, if you're even earning in dollars, you're not even earning in naira again, and you know what it is when you're in Nigeria and you're earning in dollars. The exchange rate is so high, and if you earn in dollar, it's so good for you. Guys, we've come to the very end of today's video. If you enjoy watching this video, if this video is helpful to you in any way, a huge thumbs up, because that is the only way YouTube will push it out for other people to see. And share my videos with your friends and family, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. I most definitely welcome here, and please don't make this very video your last. Make sure you hit the red button